Okay.
This is Perfect Horse.
Okay.
She's 21 years old, and she's a registered Tennessee walking horse, and she's a hayseed. But Perfect is particularly, what's the word? She loves individuals. She loves attention, and she's the animal that we use most with larger individuals, adults, and she is just awesome. Nothing frightens her at all. She's very confident. She lends some of that confidence to the folks that are working with her, and we love her dearly. We've owned her, how many years? I don't know. We've owned her probably 10 or 11 years, and she's just a good one. And what's particularly valuable about her is that as a gaited horse, she's very smooth moving, and riders are able to blend in with her movements without too much physical effort. And
Thank you for explaining it to us. She's a beautiful horse.